Hello, thanks for joining us today. So I just wanted to walk you through quickly how to use our new platform, which we'll be using for live experiences. So the first thing you're going to do is you'll receive an email from us, as always, with the link. So this is the email, so I'm just going to go ahead and click the link here, and you'll see that it's opening in a new window. So you're just going to type your name in and press join class. And there we are. I'm here. So this is really as easy as that. So this is the class that we'll be watching. There is a host here, so Vicky signed in as host, and she will be controlling the video. So some things you can control on your side are the volume. So once the video starts playing, if it's too loud or too quiet, you can adjust that here. You can change the mode that you're in. So if you'd like to see tabs, you can go out by clicking there, or you can go back in by clicking it again. Um, and once you get here to class, I would recommend you join video chat. So you'll still be able to see when the class is started without joining video chat. However, even if other people have joined, you won't be able to see them unless you also join. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and join the video chat. And if this is the first time you're joining, you may get a pop-up asking you to allow them to use your video, your webcam and microphone. So here you can see now I'm on video. So Vicky's actually not on video right now. So you'll always have a host here in the class welcoming you. They'll be on video. So once you join video chat, you'll be able to chat with them, see everyone else that has their videos on. And after the class again, you can chat, catch up. So even if you are, let's say, a community who doesn't have a webcam, you're still going to want to join the video chat just so you can see the host, hear the other participants in the class. So I've now joined the video chat. You can see both my webcam and my audio are on. If you'd like to turn either of those off, so let's say right when we start the class, maybe it's better to turn your microphone off. If you want to mute yourself, you just press that here, and now I'm muted so other participants can't hear me. If you'd like to keep audio on, but you're not a fan of having your video on, you can do that as well here. And as long as you've joined video chat, you'll still be able to see the videos of the other participants if they've left them on. But you have to join video chat first, so that's why I'm really stressing this. So even if you want to have your video off, join the video chat first, and then go ahead and turn your camera off and turn your audio off. Um, at the end of class, as always, we like to say goodbye to each other, have a little chat. So that's why this video portion is helpful. And then, of course, we do have people that leave videos on during the class, so you can really see the participants during the class, see how everybody else is doing the moves. Um, if, let's say, you're streaming to all of your rooms on your closed circuit channel, and you don't necessarily think that it's bringing any value to see the other participants, you can click this arrow here, and basically it goes almost full screen. And then to get it back, you're just going to click that again. So that's it. So at class time, basically the host will start the class. So before then, you're welcome to just hang out here, um, join the video chat, chat with other people that are on, and the host will be here as well to chat with you. Right now, I'm just doing this as a demo, so that's why I didn't join live with that one as well. So if you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. And otherwise, I'm really excited to see you guys in our first live experience on the 31st. Bye.